In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom theme, transforming your virtual meeting experience into something a bit more personalized and visually appealing. Let's dive in and make sure your Zoom calls are not only efficient, but also reflect your style. First, let's open the Zoom application on your device. Once you've got it open and you're on the main screen, you'll want to navigate your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll notice a grid icon. This icon is your gateway to personalizing your Zoom interface, so go ahead and give it a click. Now that you've clicked the grid icon, you'll see a menu appear, presenting several options for you to explore. Among these choices, look for the option that says Change Theme. This is the button that allows you to adjust the visual aesthetics of your Zoom interface. By clicking on Change Theme, you set the stage for a more personalized Zoom environment. With the theme options open in front of you, it's time to make a selection. You'll find various themes available, each providing a unique look and feel. Some options might aim for minimalism with clean and simple designs, while others might offer a more vibrant or professional appearance depending on your preference. Take your time to scroll through these options and get a sense of what aligns best with your personal taste or professional needs. Once you've spotted a theme that resonates with you, simply click to select it. You'll immediately see how it transforms the appearance of your Zoom interface. This change not only affects the aesthetic during your calls, but also influences your mood and the impression you give to others in your meetings. Remember, first impressions matter, and a thoughtfully chosen theme can elevate how others perceive you. A tip to keep in mind: consider the setting or context of your usual meetings. You might prefer a more subdued or formal theme for professional settings, whereas a lively, colorful theme could be perfect for casual hangouts with friends or family. Choose a theme that enhances the atmosphere of your meetings, and there you have it. You've successfully changed your Zoom theme, bringing a personalized touch to your virtual meeting space. Whenever you feel like refreshing the look or adapting to a new mood, you can repeat these steps and explore different themes. Enjoy the enhanced Zoom experience, and may each meeting feel as comfortable and conducive to productivity as possible. Remember, technology serves us best when it complements our style and needs. Thanks for joining today, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you want to switch things up. Happy Zooming!